How many?
32, sire.
32? 32? That's enough for just 8 horses. We need to double that by the next full moon, Gorp.
I've summoned the best blacksmiths in 1,000 leagues, sire.
Yes, well, let's hope they proffer more promise than the last batch of buffoons. Bring them hither! Can you deliver?
Yes, of course, sire.
When?
Yes, well, that is the sticky matter, my liege.
Next. Can you deliver?
Certainly, my lord.
How much?
Well, that is the 64,000 gold coin question.
Next! Can you deliver?
Yes.
Show me your wares, Master Smith.
Next! 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 Next!
There is no other, sire.
No other?
I'm afraid not, sire.
What manner of man dares sally forth into my throne room?
No man, sire, but the humble servant of the realm who heard your need was dire. I come to deliver.
What the devil is this?
It is not what you want, sire. It is what you now need.
Who are you?
They call me Nexa.
Quick! Call the court medic!